Hello and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Sherry and today is Super Simple Saturday. We are going to be making some salsa chicken. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, you love fun, and you love super simple recipes, go ahead, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss anything new. So if you've been watching Super Simple Saturdays, I say this a lot. I say it couldn't be simpler, it couldn't be simpler. I say that all the time. But today, really, I challenge you to find a simpler recipe without going through the drive-thru. This is just 2 ingredients. We're going to do this in my pressure cooker. So if you have an Instant Pot, same thing. This is my Pampered Chef one. So if you're in the market for one of those, I will post a link to this in the description below. But really, it is as simple as this. We're taking a jar of salsa and right down in my slow cooker. And then we're just going to add some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. And that's all there is to it. And the great thing about this is once it's done, you can serve this just as it is with maybe some rice or something like that. Some Spanish rice would be really good. Or I have a little tool and I'll show it to you. But you can chop it up, and you don't need the tool necessarily, but it does make the job a lot easier. And you can kind of shred this and you can serve it on tortillas. So again, really, really quick weeknight meal. So I'm just going to kind of move these around, make sure they're all kind of coated here with our salsa. And then I've already got this set to poultry, which is about 15 minutes. Give or take a little bit, just because it takes a few minutes for it to build pressure. And it actually won't take too long to build the pressure in here because it's not that full. So I've already got it set. I'm just going to hit the start button. In probably about 20 minutes or so, dinner will be done. Okay, our chicken should be done. All in all, I think it took about 23 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and push my button here, which is going to do a manual release with the steam. All right, and then once all the steam is out, we can go ahead and open the lid very carefully. If you've never cooked anything in a pressure cooker, I swear it is 100 times hotter than any other thing you could cook it in. All right, so let's get me a little piece of chicken out of here. Just look for a little one. Well, they're all little. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to put it on here. And I've decided I think I want to serve this over rice. I'm going to push this aside. But I did want to show you this little tool here. So these are our salad choppers. They're great for salad. They're great for fruit. But they're really great for chopping up meat. Because I can just put these down in there and chop it up. But I want to show you outside of that. Just basically it's great for pulled pork. Look at that. And it looks like a pair of scissors, but it's 2 blades and a scoop. So it's great for anytime you want to make sandwiches. I just love it because, like I said, you don't have to take the meat, or whatever you've cooked it in your vessel. It's always awkward. You got juices dripping everywhere. You just leave it right in there and chop it up. So let's give this a try. It smells wonderful. So good. I love salsa, but oh my gosh, a little bit of onion and some sour cream, a little bit of lettuce on a tortilla. Yeah, it'd just be like chicken tacos. Yeah, I think this is fabulous. And if you don't have a pressure cooker, you can do this on the stovetop. You can do it in the oven. It's just going to take a little bit longer. And the great thing about, I was getting ready to say this, but it's not that. I do this sometimes. I do it in my rock crock. And so the rock crock can be a slow cooker. It can go in the oven, the microwave, whatever. And I'll actually do this recipe in the rock crock in the microwave. I was thinking we did it in that today, but we didn't. We did it in the pressure cooker. I'm getting confused. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Give this a try. It's super simple. And even if you don't have, an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, and you do it, in the oven or on the stovetop, it might take a little bit longer, but you're still only 1 pot, only 2 ingredients. So I think it's a great recipe to try. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.